Arizona is such a talked about place, but there are so many different areas in Scottsdale. You have North Scottsdale, you have South Scottsdale, but today I am excited to talk about this area that's not too far north, but it's not too far south. We are just 5 minutes away from Kierland and Scottsdale Corridors, and I love this area because if you enjoy shopping, if you want to dine at so many different restaurants, if you want easy access to North Scottsdale and South Scottsdale, this is the perfect location. Hi, my name is Dea Good, and I am your local realtor here in the Scottsdale and Phoenix, Arizona. I am going to give you a tour of this beautiful, remodeled, updated home that I'm currently standing in. Let's go take a tour. If you're looking for 3 bedrooms plus a bonus room, fully remodeled, 2,700 square feet, and a backyard that looks like an oasis, this home could be for you. I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside because it's gonna blow your mind. So many people move to Arizona because of the weather. Outside of the 3 months out of the year where it's 120 and 115 degrees, Arizona's weather is amazing. That's why having a entertainer style backyard with a pool and a built-in grill and palm trees is a necessity here in Arizona, because once it starts to cool down, you are going to want to spend so much time in your backyard and really enjoy this amazing weather. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this is the home for you, send me a DM because I would love to give you a tour. If you want something else here in Scottsdale, send me a message because I would love to show you the other options, the other neighborhoods, and the perfect area for you to call home. Bye.